Enya Enkuno 69th Independence Day we are celebrating. Last week, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, HNS MPSO, Eka Womei Ehwasem, Enya Nisuadi Huna Ekrano. Now, over the weekend, me chance upon some video bia NPP, NDC, Echitafo, Ebi, na said ye, one musi attack omwa bino, ewo. And same be one na say eni enyan na me bisa me ho say in fact enti o man no ye pese ye koye nim asem we maka pen enye first time wa me be ka sa asem we hu asem na is about the fact say ye ma ye political parties no ana say ya man yokuo eno ho adehiade no ekosoro echen o man no yiyo and they are very worrying. If I say, oh, Tien Semnibia, Ayana, Ayo say, oh, wait, dear, Nekano, no. Would this work can say, would this say, or Chena Genesa, by any beside, won't say, as if for the national good, and I say, a individual, no, and I say, the panel, or no, Sabe, the Pessamin Kumyankwa, a funny Kwanswana. Na, Mamemo Mampeni and Kasai, ewo Independence Day, no, we are. Na ne mebeka ho asem no maka yentie mampani kakra ewo eye ne nsem odi tu dwa na ha na mbese utie.
And a Ghana where education is accessible and empowering,
Nhyira
Ghana where healthcare is affordable and accessible, a Ghana with world-class infrastructure, a Ghana that produces what it consumes, a Ghana where merit and not connections decides opportunity. A Ghana it consumes. A Ghana where merit and not connections decides opportunity.
Mebese utie mampani asemina ne mampani kan nyina ne se yebese yenya wo man a enka yapomuden ho nsem enoma bekoyie yesuku sem noma bekoyie o man a ye de yebedie na o man a sebe ne osefata ena onya akwanya eye bibi de boa wo man no enye te sai bia obi nimubi obi ye connected nti ena esu onya mampani asemini. But this is what I'm going to talk about. Yintia Banti.
I'm if an artist on court exams. Yeah, first Mugabe Busa NPP time if an artist on court exams. Yeah, first security service. Who think to be exams? Exams bang. The protocol na tablo for any day here.
Jolly Dino Kwasa.
Almost fire for mum one go craft. And no one security service. And your crowd and say pay day 24 for not 24, 23, 26. It can grab a ton account in what or no. NDC papa no ma me na mo for to aboa boduku akọ rally sa me kase na me na last one na hwensuo tona me one kokra na mu ono timi nya hwe mfimu appointed duty manager you bet me nya ne body ne nanna so obenya security service e no pe mu mi na mo de kumsi amaw ya woka ya me yanse nya chum NDC mpalifo woka sini ngi akọ mutaka o akọ na mo de mutubutu ano mutaka no
Enti mitia bantie we yasem na in fact na mera ho kire se ohun asem o ka no yes obi a party supporter obi a foot soldier grassroots person waboa party no we di party na chi aboa ama party na ba aban mu eya na me enya me yase bia wo mu a ewo mo political party whether NDC MPP one more a party for aboa woman na womo abanya ba niema womo adwuma ye anase womo pe ba bia mo match enye me problem. But the problem is the mampani kai no say nipa kro na wo pese ye pia no de hye ba bia wo ka no wo qualify. And you see ade ana esa ha mewa abantie statement won say or say e ka e ma example a eboman tie or ma examples a esa ebo man and fatu hu na wode ye no esa ye mfatu hu a esai oman tie no o se na constitution a yedi bu man no enye sa constitution na yedi bu man no a MPP etna so e de fa emrewafo the fan crofobia sebe no mo nsem fata de omugura security services ni mu enunti abantie we adwene se etwa se John Dramani Mahama any NDC for no the same thing. And this drew my attention to something. Say, the reset agenda no His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na ankasa any ni NDC aban e kan so de bre yan Ghana for no. Wo mo ankasa party members kro mo ntimi ankyere mu yi ankyere wo mo. They don't understand reset. NDC members nankasa no, they don't really understand omo ankasa ensem omo ton ma ye Ghana fo ntia enam so ma Ghana fo gitu mu so omo to aba ma mo am ne omo aba mu no omo ankasa nte reset no ankasa ase because NDC fo no te reset na omo no kasa omo de bebu man na se a this man wouldn't be speaking this way emfato hu awa woman say obi an age abro so ya fa ne security and the same thing ensan koso obi a won qualify ya fa ne security and yensan fa same procedure because once we abanya ba yensan repeat the same mistake na reset na mo se mo de ba na ne de hin me I don't actually begrudge anybody say ebia ne political party aba ono so qualify say the Ghana ni bia qualify ni ama no appointment anansi ama na adwuma ye mini problem but whereas nipa no bia won qualify because obi afamre wafo obi afa obi a won qualify into the same thing ensa ankoso no I yen consider competence no that is my problem as a Ghanaian and on the da so gina 69 years yen koye nim no 69 years ye da so gina ho this particular actions no a war site no eno na hinder governance and development eno na emo man entumpon no and no one will say enkrofobia sabe enka ideally ye do mo fa process mu yie pa enke binu ho a o qualify say enko benya appointment no and no one say binu gu o ho animu ase on national platform sabe Ghana ye international language ye English ye kasa ye kama wiase nyina ate yenka ye English independent day so ye the English yi na kasa mamamfo ate ye nyina yenka say Ghana ye we because say one kan English na obi ono no mfiri Ghana ha want to twi want other things other language e kan ha no say nipa no want de pese ye kire na say want de pese ye ka enti na mampani ko gina simfie so no one ka da gomba kasa one ka Hausa na mumu yusu ye international language di kasa kire yen. But there were appointees be Independence Day ebi gu ye nimu ase I call international ye were MCs be ni DCs be omuko gina simpie so a in fact a year ya trama no scripture ya trama no so no a watena se ya rehearse wo mekan no se wugina wo na wutia na wo se kra afem na se enti we ye municipal chief executive we a district chief executive pa on say one kasakura as a party person who tie nipa na wo se afi munya ya nko akoboa na kenkan ama no because wo gu wani mu ase o kan be kasa brofo nya ye kasa but it's a language eno ne de kasa kire wo mu a wa man hodo so eno nti ehu hia se obi abefa ne bia no obere sese nipa no obetumi agina wo man nenam ebere hu hia ne waton man na mama hodo ben kasa mpo kasa akoye problem already wonu a scripture ya tra ma no a wa rehearse no akoye problem enti yemfa wura nwum saa yankeka nwum saa na wede no man no atumi atumpon oti abantie ya yemfa nwum saa na MPP fo anye the same thing sani e pese e continue saa na nya reset na mo kan no ne hia de a na nka ne nka Ghana fo gya ye ma MPP to aso the same thing na mo ye na wo tie kire se na wo complain enti na the same thing in sankoso media maka say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and fani na NDC fam say the right thing must be done is Ghana first mampani kan sa same we here or say Ghana must come before politics. And or say Ghana must come before politics, tribe, or personal interest. 69th Independence Day na some mampani kan ni bi no. And some no dos mean to me money na. Ebinie or say yema Ghana eni animu kane ansa na manyuku aba. and sana baby cry free ene tribe politics any yenya pese minkumya asay wo man no 69 years yada so area a school for da so tinwiase enipa ne mmoa enanum nsuo because nkrofo a ya appoint wo nkrofo a ye de wo kotena positions awodo no most of them don't qualify and so near their mom just because wa brahma party enti no wote wa position na ye de ama no hu bota no mfa courage no man na call reverse near the ni hwe no man na say and that is where we are nene what binds so the reset aba o catch and say oh repeat the mistakes aban that there be aya ama enoma ankoyi no in our security and then the kind of security service ayo de bia wu say prosifuo bi ne asojafuo bi omu good security service nanimu ase omu interdict bebre omu ede omu call customs bebre so akromfo nko a ena no wu say akromfo bi a omu customs mu omu akogigi sika ya ma no omu afamu omu na hwiri sika ana no ya interdict bi ya interdict omu edi kan kra any by 1 week another batch same custom officers yasachi bi ya interdict omu because party near the woman room only any love for the job and I say only qualification bia because we are bread near the room no was sign woman. That is where we are as a country. You can't say yeah hey you be bread wo kwan so 69 years you be do 100 years no mind that so area I'm telling you say you say suban near say be call the same way 100 years on Ghana will still struggle to develop as a country. But I will make a way actually His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Be firm. This is your legacy term. May obi or qualify more recruiting more money we are any problem. But say we will be advice you say Fagum said ye can no net ye no dear. Mr. President, Sheniye ne de asembeba. Nhyira 104.5. Ebusu yameba.
Nhyira 104.5 FM.